An inline temperature sensor, submerged within the dough mass, continuously monitors its temperature.
The kneading line is enclosed in clear, food-grade safety guards, allowing visibility while maintaining hygiene and operator safety.
A vision system camera captures multiple angles of each rounded dough ball, inspecting for uniform shape.
Proofing chamber. The dough travels on a multi-tiered conveyor system, slowly ascending and descending through different temperature and humidity zones.
Progresses through the chamber, it visibly expands and rises, becoming noticeably thicker and softer, filling out its designated space on the
Sensors track the dough's height and volume at various points within the proofing chamber, ensuring consistent rise across all batches.
A controlled environment prevents the dough from drying out, maintaining a supple, moist surface essential for proper fermentation.
The dough's color subtly lightens, and its texture becomes more airy and porous.
The dough, now fully proofed, emerges from the chamber, significantly larger and softer than. Each dough ball enters a series of progressively thinner industrial rollers, which gently but firmly flatten.
Rollers' speed and pressure are precisely controlled to ensure consistent perforation depth without tearing the delicate dough.
The entire sheeting and docking process is fully automated, operating at high speed to produce thousands of uniform pizza crusts per hour.
Sheets, now flat and perforated, glide smoothly towards the next stage, ready for sauce application.
Sensors measure the diameter of the applied sauce circle, ensuring consistent coverage and preventing sauce from reaching the crust's edge.
entire topping line is designed for rapid changeovers, allowing for different pizza recipes to be produced efficiently.
Preheat zone, infrared heating elements gently begin to warm the pizzas, preparing them for the intense heat of the main baking chamber. Move through different temperature zones, each calibrated for specific stages of baking, from initial melting to final browning.
Pizzas failing the color or melt criteria are automatically ejected by a high-speed pneumatic arm onto a dedicated rejection chute.
Infrared temperature sensors continuously monitor the core temperature of the pizzas as they traverse the cooling spiral.
The cooling tower's design maximizes airflow around each pizza, preventing condensation and maintaining crust crispness.
The conveyor speed within the spiral cooler is precisely controlled to allow sufficient time for the pizzas to reach the target cooling temperature.
The cooling process prevents microbial growth and prepares the pizzas for subsequent freezing and packaging steps. Pizzas are automatically collected in a designated bin for analysis and proper disposal or reprocessing, never touching the main product.
Pizzas that pass all stringent quality checks are allowed to continue on the main conveyor towards the freezing or packaging stages.
Sensors within the freezer continuously monitor the air temperature and fan speed, optimizing the freezing process for each pizza.
Pizza is automatically indexed and fed into a high-speed flow wrapper, where it is enveloped in a protective, food-grade plastic film.
And labeled pizzas then proceed to an automated carton erector, which folds flat cardboard blanks into sturdy pizza boxes.